Hello everyone, I'm here to give you a simple example of the LeetCode problem, 3-sum closest. So suppose we have an input array which is like this, and our target sum is 1. So our problem is to find 3 elements in this array, right? And then add them to find the closest sum to our target 1. And firstly, we should sort this array, right? And we sort it in ascending order, which is like this. Then we can temporarily make our final result the sum of the first 3 elements, right? We add -4, -1, and 1, which is -4, and it is temporarily, it is our final result, and we should update it, right? And then we need to traverse this array. Firstly, we add here, we traverse the index 1, right? And we should split this array into 2 parts, and this part is fixed, right? And this number we should use, and we should find 2 other numbers that we can add them together to check our sum, right? To update our result. So firstly, this is our fixed number, right? We add index 0, and for this part we have 2 pointers, left and right, right? And we should add these 3 numbers, which is like this, and the result is -3, and we should compare our result and the sum, right? So and the sum is closer to our target, right? Because our target -3, the absolute value is smaller than our target -4, right? So we should update our final result. So here we have -3 as our result temporarily, and then we should check that as our sum is less than our target, right? Our sum is -3 and our target is 1, so we should because our array is already sorted in ascending order, right? So if we want to make our sum more closer to our target, we should increase our sum, right? So our left pointer should increase by 1, we should move our left pointer to here, right? In this way, we can make our sum bigger and closer to our target, right? So we move our left pointer to here, and then we add these 3 numbers again, and our sum this time is -1, and compared to -3, the -1 is more closer to our target, so we update our final result, right? So our result becomes -1. Then we should check our sum is still smaller than our target, right? -1 is smaller than 1. So if we want to make our sum more closer to our target, we should again, right, move our left pointer to here, right? So we are here. As if you semi-code that our there is a while loop, and the condition to end the while loop is our left pointer is no longer smaller than our right pointer, right? So here, left pointer is no longer than our right pointer, so we can end the while loop, and for this index 0, our result is -1, right? So we have traversed our element at index 0. The next thing is to traverse the element at our index 1, right? So this time we should leave the -4 alone, right? We do not need to consider it. And this time we also split the array into 2 parts, and this part is fixed, and we want to use the number -1, and we should find the 2 other elements in this part and to create our sum, right? So at the beginning, right here, right, we add the 3 elements, and this time our sum is 2, right? And compared to our result, 2 is more closer than to our target, right? So we should update our result to 2. And this time we should check that our sum is larger than our target, right? If we want to make our sum more closer to our target, we should decrease our sum, right? So because this part is already sorting in ascending order, so we should move our red pointer to here, right? We should decrease our red pointer. Then we should, in this way, we can make our sum more closer to our target, right? So we are here, and this time we can find that our left pointer is no longer less than our red pointer, so we can end the loop. And then for the index 1, for this -1, our result, our closest sum is 2, right? Then another thing is to traverse the element at index 2, right? And this time we have 2 parts, and this part is fixed, and we want to find 2 other elements. However, in this time, at the beginning, our left pointer is no longer than our red pointer, so it means that we do not have 2 elements in this part, right? So we can return our result directly, which is 2, right? We do not need to update it. And similarly, for the last element in our numbers array, we should find that this part is fixed, but our right and left are all our left pointer is bigger than our right pointer at the beginning, so we do not need to update our result, right? So this 2 is our final result. So basically, this is the idea of how to solve this problem using 2 pointer, right? So the idea is to traverse this array one by one, and for each element we should fix this element, right? And we should find 2 other elements and in the right part of this element, and then we should add them to compare it with our result and to update our result, right? So if you want to see the code, I put the link in my video, and you can click it to have a check, right? So that's all. Thank you.